Welcome to Pyramid Securities. Let's see how the market is open today. Though advance decline is in favor, 29 advances and to 29 declines, but it is trading with open price is very important. Please understand if you are in markets, the open price is very important. This is also beginning of the week. Okay, beginning of the week. So this week, important number is like 18,376 is important. If it closes above that, it's bullish. If it stays below that, it's going to be a volatile and not bullish. Okay, maybe the action is happening somewhere else. So corporate actions today, anything interesting? Let's check corporate actions. Uh, Power Grid, the 5 rupees per share, EPL 2.15 per share, nothing. Okay, Comp Info 18 rupees, rights issue plus premium right at premium 18. Ambutanjan 1% dividend, 2% dividend, Aegis Chemicals, PGI 11.5 per share, Coal India 15 rupees per share, Avaraja Battery 2.9 per share, which is a good sign. I think the stock is interestingly poised. Uh, M Sumi, Mother Sumi wiring, 2 shares for every 5 shares is bonus issue. Interim dividend. These are the actions. These are the stocks which can, have some action. Danuka buyback when a stock is buyback. If a buyback when it's a good company, you should not sell. Okay, that's very important. MRF, it's a 3 rupees on a 75 or 80,000 rupees share. Nothing interesting. Let's look at market snapshot. Today's volume is 39,000 crores, which is decent for the first 1.5 hours. First 1.5 hours. Advanced signal is point ratio is 0.99. Now let's look at where the action is today. So the action is there in Nifty next small cap. No major action, some simple action only. Okay, now even minus also flat, nothing great. So today is kind of here and there, a cat on the wall. Let's look at the sectors. Sectors will give you a good idea about who's doing well. Metal is doing well consistently. Nifty is doing well. Auto did not do well last week. The reality is bouncing back. But these are all, you can't take this. You must have something at least 1% above, The index should trade 1% above is good, 2% above is very good, 4% above is that means something is happening in the counter. Weak is today's Nifty media is weak. Nifty PSU Bank, I think, is profit booking. Pharma is weak, has been weak for quite some time. Nifty Bank is not weak, but it is resting, I suppose. Okay, now who are the top gainers? Hindalco. See, metals, Hindalco. Tata Motors is bounced back. Apollo Hospitals, Grasim Healthcare. Top losers is Dr. Reddy, IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel ITC. All these guys are resting, I suppose. So look at volume. This is a screen which we like the most important. Any stock is going to go up 10 times, 15 times. Will come in this screen, in this main board. Okay, by volumes, S Bank is up. S Bank is up. S Bank, Zomato action is happening in these stocks. Trident minus 6%. Some negative action is happening. Don't know good news or bad news. So this kind of sell-off is not good, but this kind of buying is good. Okay, IRCON could be a breakout. IRCON. Let's look at IRCON chart. IRCON is like, oh my God, it's good, interesting. Good rally, a sell-off, and again this is ultra bullish. There's a bullish sign, and IRCON is good looking, looks interesting. And then anybody else 6%, nothing. Okay, let's look at Trident. Trident, what's wrong with Trident? These in this time, if you should go and check the fundamentals, whether 6% up or down, there must be something changed. Some change would have happened. Trident is taking a long time. Oops. Actually, this is actually a bullish. Trident has been sideways and it is like, it drop. It's a gap down. But when you find a gap down, when you find a stock gap down, please understand if it opens lower and the volumes are higher, though it is minus, this could be a possible bottom. This is an interesting chart, Trident. This is a matter of this is the investor education channel. Please mind it. So whenever you see a sharp drop like this, and it's today, if it's closed, if this candle is closed, then possibly this could be the bottom for Trident. So people, if you're holding Trident, you don't need to worry per se. Okay. Trident. Okay, then look at value. Value stocks 4% of Hindalco. Something is metals have been up for quite some time. LIC is up 5%. Dead cat bounce. I do not know. NAUKRI is up 5%. LIC, LIC, NAUKRI, Hindalco. Interesting. LIC, NAUKRI, Hindalco. Uh, Interesting. Then look at sports. This is where you can find multi-baggers. The guys who jump 20%, 15%. Lambodra, I think, is a textile company. MedPlus, cerebral paints, I think. Ram Rat, I don't know what it is. So these stocks, something is happening. You must go and check. But this has gone up with 110 to 100. So this is a trap. You must be careful when something goes up by 10%, 110 shares. Maybe real, and I don't know, but volume is always the truth. So that let's go with the volume spurts. Volume spurts. WSI has gone up for 147 times, but 55 average volume, 8,000 volume is okay. Shakti pumps 7 times, Lambodra 7 times, which is interesting. So stock price going up with volume is extremely interesting. Any stock up 10% by volume at the bottom is fantastic. Given at the top, it could be breakout. But you have to watch the highs and lows very importantly, very closely. And now let's look at Nifty. Nifty, this is an half an hour chart of Nifty. So it had a good the opening has been good. Opening is good, but nothing great. Like there's a huge gap here. I don't know whether it's going to touch this and go, but it's very. I don't mean if it doesn't touch, it's good. But this is where it is, and it is in sideways. We can't based on this. Nothing can be said. The premium is again 50 points, so some hope is there. Bank Nifty, let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is something similar candlestick pattern. It's gone up, it is retraced. We do not know from here it will go up or down. This low is very, very important for Bank Nifty, that much I can say. But today it is, you see, this week Nifty or Bank Nifty will stage rally only if we close above the open price today. That applies for stocks also. So, a good time to I mean I'm not telling you to book profits, but if you have good stock, please hold it. The next 1 or 2 years is looking great. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is a purely investor education channel. Please support. Thank you. Have a great day.